Hey you guys, today I'm sorry I got so early. I always do it. I'm sorry that got so early. But today we're gonna be playing the new Animal Company update. I always get so uppity. Yeah, we're playing with my friend Littell. Monster cam. What the heck is a monster camera? What the skibbity siggers? How do I get off? Help! Okay. Yeah, that's a good notification. Okay, I'm sorry. I might be told. You're a monkey too. I'm an actual monkey. Wait. Okay, let's grab one of these babies. Or pookies. What the frick? No, I'm cooked. That's it. Okay. Let me grab it. Ah, frick. Let's go. How do we get this rocket? Okay, it's over there. It's over there, okay? No, we don't need a rocket from store butter. We could. What is this? Expanded rockets. It's probably the thing that we need. What do we even need this for? We can't even grab it. Look. Let's just parkour it. We're gonna parkour this, right? Let's parkour this. I'm gonna parkour it. I'm just gonna parkour this. I'm parkouring this. I'm sweating on this parkour thing because I am a sweat. I'm sweating so hard. I'm actually sweating in real life. What is this? It's a stupid flashlight. It's a mega. Henny, what are you doing in here? I hate it when I get stuck up to here. Everybody knows. Oh, frick. I'm gonna climb up here. Catch you later. See you later, alligator. I'm climbing too. Oh my god, I'm at the part where it's white. I don't mean it like that, brother. Wait. Yo, this is so cool. Bro, what is the middle part? I'm at the part where it's white. It's kind of the end part. This is crazier than the haunted house. I mean, it is. Because I'm a sweat. Oh my god, no, I'm falling. Oh my god. Yeah, you animaler. No, I'm a monkey. Ooh, ah. And we're playing Monkey Company. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. I'm at the top. I'm about to get at the top. I'm about to get at the very top.
You're making it so good.
Who the frick is that? No, I don't. No, that isn't you, bro. That person that just said we're making it so cool. Bro, who's that? Bro, that is not my mom. She does not have a VR. She does not like to play MetaQuest. I'm gonna climb up here super hard. does seem so unreal, but it isn't. 'Cause I'm doing the impossible. Then get up here. I did it. I'm climbing up here. I'm the best. Bro, what is that smoke? I'm falling. I'm about to die. I'm gonna die if they added fall damage. Okay, we gotta climb all the way back up. Just because I was being a dumb bozo. Woof! Frick. I'm cooked. I was already all the way up there. But I fell down. I dare you to fall. If you don't fall, you're a bozo. You're a LBGTQ bozo. Yeah, fall, buddy. Buddy, fall. Do you like to fall? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on, what's in the middle of that? I just noticed. Actually, though. Hey, yo! I just screamed because I believe I can fly. Wait a minute. I kind of have low gravity, actually. When I'm at that... Okay, let's do... What does this do? What are you gonna... What are you supposed to do, white orb? Nothing. What? Wait, what? My life! My whole life was wasted to touch the white orb. And it does nothing. I meant the tube. Yeah, I'm gonna try making it. I know that. I know there's other little Timmys in the... Wait, bro. I gotta fall first. This is only up. Freaking this is only up. Oh my god, I'm falling. Okay, everyone. Since my friend told me to fall, I'm doing it for the views. Symphony! Yeah. Can you hold me tight and not let go? I barely understand this place, right? Yo, I can see the Animal Company world from the exit thing. Hold on, what is this? Oh, this is the same place. This is the same place, bro. The heck does that say? Get it! Bruh! Did this dude just kill me, bruh? I know they have a new bag, buddy. For what? Hold on, I'm just gonna go. Wait! I'm gonna go into this white stuff. Hey, yo, what? What am I just saying? What the heck? What is this white stuff? Hey, yo, no!
Guys, where's the dragon?
Yeah, let's see if they finally did something with that goofy out bridge. No, nothing. Why is there a blue light that looks like... Why is that a blue light that looks like someone's about to use Super Kamehameha? Why does it look like someone's about to use Super Kamehameha? Let's jump. Yay! Died of drowning. I just died of drowning. can we get much higher? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna walk super dumb. Oh, still turkey. Yeah, you like what you see that? 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 You see that dude? Look, he's so ugly. Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Just dodge it is simple. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I got 250. I got observation. I keep. You think you're gonna hit me that? Yeah, you think you're gonna hit me with that? Shoot. Oh, come on. Throw at me. Ah! Bro, you missed. Bro, turkey, I should be scared of y'all. Oh, yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Gang. Bro, you really died. Bro, that's why you have a small. Oh my god, that was so close. What? I already killed him before. Forget. See that? I got. Oh my god! I dropped my controller. He's coming after me. He's horrifying. You're horrifying. Bro, why you look so ugly now? Ow! Bro. Hey, yo! Is he humping the tree? Bro's Humpty Dumpty the tree. It's crazy. I got a gun. What is it gonna do? Don't have none. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this stick is. What is this? The stick. Why is this just a stick? Okay, let's go test stick. Let's go test stick out on Goblin. Stick versus Goblin. Here we go, everybody. This is going to be one of the most intense battles in the world. Because we have a super trained sword master with a stick. And we have a super goblin. Oh frick, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Yeah. Goblin wins versus stick. Yeah, that won't fully kill him, buddy. But how do we get weapons? Where's their other weapons? Ammo, explosive, toys. I hate this new update, bro. So trash. I'm not trying to be one of those kids that whine about new Gorilla Tag, but this just makes. I like that new place, but I just hate the new item shop, cause they barely have items, and we have to find them. Like, we have to find the items. That makes the game less fun. Because first we had to buy the items with money, and now we have to find them. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Hey! Oh, frick. No, 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 no! Yeah! I just got killed by a goblin. Tree stick, natural sword. Oh my god. Oh, there's more people here. Yo, leave me and my friends alone. Let's all run, bro, and I'll kill the goblin since I'm the best swordsman in the whole entire road. I'm better than Zoro when he was a kid, cause I can slash this goblin into slices and pizza. And then we can have a pizza party! Oh my god! That was so close! That was halfway observational key. I use observational key. Okay, I got you. Oh, frick! This! I got killed again. I hate the fact that I keep getting killed by the goddamn goblin. Give me that stuff. Give me that stuff. You know we can bring him out here. Let's bring him out here. Hold on, wait, let me have my stick. Let me have my stick. Come on, give me chase us. Go, go. Yo, he's coming. Oh no. Hold on, that was barely close. Yo, big fat goblin! Big fat goblin that likes toes! Oh my god, why did I do that? I'm doing the stupidest. Big fat goblin that likes toes. Oh my god! Why did I say he likes toes? Why did I ever say that he likes toes? Hey, big fat goblin that likes toes. Oh my god. Big fat goblin that likes toes. Oh my god. Oh, hold on, he's gonna touch it. That doesn't work. Big fat goblin that likes toes. Help! Help! Go! Get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Get him back, bro. If you don't get him back, you're a bozo. No, I can't buy his tree stick. Can I please have a tree stick, bro? I need a tree stick. Give me a tree stick, bro. Thank you for the tree stick. I got him. Thank you for the tree stick. Thank God. Give me a tree stick. That's you! Why did it go away? Oh my God, why did it go away? Ooh, tree stick. Oh, frick. Oh, thank you, tree stick, for making me dodge it. I got it. Oh my. Oh my God. I dodged it. Was Bro? I swear, if that dude was just about to go, look at my dead body. Nah, cause bro, I'm about to fight with my own fist. You know, yeah. Let's go, bro. Oh, I'm cooked. No, I'm cooked. Oh, frick. No, I'm cooked. Yup, goodbye. I can't buy anything because the stupid new Animal Company update. I hate it. I hate the new Animal Company update. Give me it. Let's go. Sometimes you have to find a destiny. I know, right, bro? Like, he's queso but bigger. He's queso but bigger. Sometimes you have to find a destiny. Got him in the back. Ow! Okay, let's stop. Bro! Okay, hold up. Wait. Don't do that stupid stuff. Cause you know it's dark down here. Maybe you could go kill some more gobs. Go, okay, break it, break it. They are goblins, buddy. What? Okay, let's go kill chicken. No! Ooh, wish I, you. Ooh, wish I knew. No, I don't have. They probably took away the stuff. No, I hate this game now. So bad. It's so trash, bro. We barely have anything to do with. I'm like those Gorilla Tag players that goes like, Gorilla Tag is so bad right now. Gorilla Tag is so trash right now. Like, I'm like those Gorilla Tag players in Animal Company right now that goes like, Gorilla Tag is the worst game right now. Like, OG Gorilla Tag was better. I'm those type of players right now in Animal Company. Cause like, actually, old Animal Company was better. Like last Animal Company update was better. Like, this is new Animal Company, and last Animal Company was old Animal Company. We need. Don't step into that freaking salad. I'm gonna just get me a banana. Stew. Okay, let's get the banana. Let's get that chicken egg, if there is one. Come on. Who's getting it to run? Who's gonna run from it? Fine. Get the egg! Get the egg! Get the egg, bro! Get the egg right now! Get the go! 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 We got it. Let's go! Let's go! First happens. No! Why does the goblin gotta be right there, bro? Actually, bruh. If we being real, why does he gotta be right there? If we being real. After this, I'm gonna go play Gorilla Tag to go show my fans a little video. Okay. Let's go. Yes, sir. See how much we got. Yes, sir. Okay, see ya. See ya tomorrow or later. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye. Bruh, he's that way. I'm going to go back in a second. But right now, we're going to go play some Gorilla Taggers. Gorilla Tag. Not Gorilla Taggers. There you my thing, bro. So my cosmetics. Let me change this. It's just an avatar for when I get happy there. If you're saying I'm never gonna be popular, I am gonna be popular. By the way, you dummies.
QWA.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Now where's the last piece?
No, we can't make a.
Oh, there's
no, we can't make a
brown.
war. We can make a trial in this.
I'm not Marty. Okay, I see Pinky, Winky, Dinky, Neat. Get him on the other side.
I know, boy, you know that.
I know, boy, you know that. Duh, bro. Which girl would play Gorilla Tag? Okay, girls would play Gorilla Tag. Going in the cosmetics.
I'm a dude. English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Or vanish.
Queso.
Oh, frick. I guess I'm queso. gonna get caught by some nerd in Gorilla Tag.
As soon as my
Gorilla Tag
headset
nerd.
says it's
Come on,
on 1%, I'm gonna end the
just did that.
video.
Thought it would be cool.
Hey, does anybody want to be my friend in this game?
What the frick was that? Whoa! Where did this dude come from? Like when my headset gets to 1%, I'm ending the video, you guys, so it can be uploaded to Meta and never be forgotten.
No, you did not. Shut up.
Darling. Hello, Black. Oh, he's a monkey, an actual monkey. That makes monkey noises, okay?
I don't like me either, Queen. Yo, I'll target because I'm a boy or I'm a girl. Sorry.
Oh shoot, I'm cooked if I don't move.
Queen.
I ain't being sweaty like I do, cause I've been playing this with my food. I forgot.
Oh! Bro.
I literally hit my controller. Bro, have mercy!
No.
Fudge!
Yes.
Have mercy! Have mercy!
Touch you. Let me touch you, bro.
Oh my gosh! No! Have mercy!
Kid, I'm gonna touch this big guy. Touch you. Oh, my right shoulder is so sore.
My shoulders hurt now. Too old for
My
this.
shoulder's been hurting. I can
Bro, why did he even have to target me? Like, go get bro.
Yo, this food fell right in front of me.
Bro, why like that, bro? You're just flexing right now.
Bro, like, come on now. We're on some noob over here.
Yeah, like, bro, stop flexing.
My sticks are not working.
You have sticks?
No.
I'm recording it.
No, I can't. Sticks are not bannable.
I'm just joking. I'm joking, bro. Like, chill. Bro, chill.
Bannable?
Oh, Doug the Boog. Bye bye, Doug the Boog. Foog. Booga. No more booga.
Oh, he's right there.
Where the frick is Black? Tell me where Black is at.
Bro,
Black, where are you, bro?
Just to let you know.
Cause I'm gonna go tag Brown and Black.
Brown's on low FPS, not gonna lie.
bro,
No, I think I could tag them. Because I saw the Brown team.
did you just listen? Where'd it go? It disappeared.
Oh, man, my skills.
Where did they even go? Hey, come on, bro.
I'm sure I'll get you. There might be a slim chance. Let's go.
Wait.
Now we just gotta get the guy that top that that's a tree camper.
Bro, you fucking goddamn, you fucking idiot.
Camper and you're on top of top.
You fucking goddamn
You're a tree camper and you're not on top of
You
top.
fucking goddamn go.
For that.
The bug. I forgot his name. Doug the Bug.
Officially lost.
Where's the
Hey, this is how you do it, bro.
You just said it.
Yeah.
You guys let guys who tag the minute I joined
8% bet.
the round just ended.
Where's the brown monkey?
Like within like 5 seconds of it. Guys, what's the best spot? Aiden has a will attack. I'll give you a clue.
Come here, Green.
Not wherever you think it.
Enemy spotted.
No, I'm not even tagged.
Frick.
Oh,
I'm cooked. How did that branch was small and it changed size? Oh, frick. I was surrounded by lavas. One day, I was surrounded by lava monkeys. Everybody knows.
Multiple entrances and I'm visible to everyone. It's fucking like, especially if you're in the competitive.
From the screen to the...
Yo!
What's your name?
Bro, tag purple, please, bro. Bro, please tag purple, bro.
Yo! I was actually cooking up for a little bit.
Bro, that was so easy.
Top Hat, come here. I cooked you. Come here. I'm gonna snatch your ankles. Give me your wrist.
Why is the balloon floating right under the seat? I'm not an Internetti. I don't think I'm an Internetti. Leave me alone. It's beginning to look
Get
like
free.
this bag. Break you.
You're Drake, brother.
It's beginning to look a lot. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere I go. Cause I'm so scared, buddy. And I got all those visities. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Okay, since I can't find Brown, being teased in the most obvious place. I'm feeling love. Cause you got me a blessing. His presence, oh.
Brown, don't stress. Okay, don't
Where the heck is
stress,
Brown at?
Now, Brown, if you fall.
If you, Brown, if you get tagged, you're a bozo. Okay, I'm just kidding. If you get tagged, you're not a bozo.
Not Littleton, not you, Littleton. You shut up.
I can't even punch
Yo, I feel.
Life can be a dream.
You got him? Yeah, respect for you. You are not tree camping. Usually I look up in all the trees, but then I just didn't feel like it until I saw you on one.
Shoot. I'm tired of being it, bro. Now I'm going to try hard. Let me get on double walls. This show you how to put your own game. Put y'all on game.
And I'm gay.
Okay, we escaped. Never mind. Someone's targeting me. Target her. Nah. Bro's literally targeting me.
What the? Look, it's Brown.
Bro, get off walls. Get off walls. Get off walls. Get off walls, bro. I swear, get off walls. You know what? I'm getting on walls.
I'm better than TGT got answered. No, I'm not.
Okay, come on.
I just said I'm not.
Bro, that's how
Bro, that's so like.
What are you? Bro is having spasms. Oh, everybody. There's somebody at the top of stuff.
Okay, I'll get them. After I can get Brown.
I'm going to stomp, or not stomp, but call a stream. Still lost, huh?
You know what should really focus with the yapping. Keep up on the fast.
Too good at this, bro. Too good at this.
Hi. I'm too.
Vete la vera.
Oh no. I jumped. Am I actually jumping?
Bro, stop. Bro, we already had a... Why y'all keep doing that, bro? Bro, that's such a hard juke. Pete just did a hard juke on us. Oh my god.
Yo, guys,
I started my boundary.
to be honest, I hello.
You should tell your boundary. Oh, womp womp.
This is my best one.
You gotta stay in the back. You gotta stay in the
the lobby.
That's your first lesson.
Who's it?
Who's the best?
Me.
I heard him.
I don't try in this game, so right now I'm gonna try it.
Oh my goodness.
Let's show you.
Oh my goodness, bro. Did I just high five something? Who did I find high? Who did I find high?
My buddy. Green, my.
Who did I find high?
Oh, bro, you targeting me? Did you?
Bro, I saw you there. And then
You targeting me!
who did I
No, you
find
probably
high?
saw just
High.
a slap.
Who did I find high? Yes, I
Let's see,
heard.
black man.
No, because he.
Get tagged.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna do it. Just wait a minute, I just need to.
Guys, that's the most brain rot game you could think of.
Brain rock game?
Yes, sir!
Yo, guys, guess what? The minigame kids are in the server. Ooh, Brain Rock game is probably gonna be I am cat.
You can tag me because my car's about to die.
Oh, God.
Oh, hell no.
Ow, hell no.
Okay, no!